નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Hello students, today we are going to learn standard 6th subject English grammar lesson number 23rd word order in sentences. Word order in sentences students. While we are writing or speaking anything in English, at that time we have to use different types of words, different types of parts of speech we use while we are writing any sentence in English or any other languages. At that time, which word we have to place at which place, all the things we are familiar with that thing. Otherwise, we cannot arrange the words in a proper order and we cannot create a complete sense. If we want to create a complete sense by the different words, at that time we have to arrange it in a proper order. Otherwise, our sentence will be not meaningful. So, in that lesson number 23rd, word order in sentences, we have to understand which word we have to put where. Okay? So let's start our study about it. First of all, a typical English sentence contains 3 elements. As we learned in our previous lesson that things, all English sentence contain 3 elements. There are mainly 3 elements in our English sentence. Any sentence of English, there are mainly 3 elements. Which is 3 elements we have to understand about it. First of all, here I write one example. Ram is going to the school. Ram is going to the school. Here in that sentence, mainly 3 elements is there. 3 elements of English is there. Can you identify? Any sentence of English, there are 3 main elements. First of all, I speak. First one is the subject. Then second one is the verb. And third one is the object. That type of typical elements we learn in our previous lessons. So, any sentence of English contain 3 main elements: subject, verb, and object. Subject, verb, and object. Here in that, by this example, we have to understand which 3 elements we are talking about it. So, can you identify here one sentence is written: Ram is going to the school. Ram is going to the school. Can you identify which is the subject here in that sentence? Which is subject? Yes. Here Ram is a subject of that sentence. Is a subject of that sentence. Is going to the school. Is going to the school. What is this? In our previous grammar lesson, learned that subject and other remaining word is known as a predicate. It is known as a predicate. Can you remember that things we learned in our previous lesson? Subject and from is going to the school, all are known as a predicate. So here we don't have to divide that sentence into 2 parts. We have to basically contain 3 elements we have to find out. Here, next thing is that is going to is known as verbs. It is known as a verbs. And to the school, it is known as a object. It is known as a object here. So, students, every English sentence contains 3 elements: subject, verb, and object. Here, Ram is subject, is going is verb, and to the school is an object here. But how we have to arrange the sentences in a proper order? Which word we have to put where? All the points are given here. In your textbook also it is given. So, step by step we have to understand about it. First one, points while arranging sentences in English. Some points is given here. Subject and object complements come after the subject or object. Each sentence has a subject and object complement. At that time, if subject complement is there, we have to put it after directly subject. If object complement is there, we have to put after directly object. Can you understand, student? So subject and object complements comes after the subject or object. First point. Second point is that auxiliaries. Auxiliaries come before the main verb. Always in sentence. Auxiliary verb or helping verb comes before the main verb. For main verb के आगे आता है. See here, is an auxiliary verb here. It is come before main verb going. वो going के आगे है. So we can say that auxiliaries come before the main verb. Second point. Third point is that adjectives are placed before nouns. Most of time adjectives comes before nouns. जिसके लिए हम जिस नाउन को मॉडिफाई करते हैं उस वर्ड को हम एडजेक्टिव बोलते हैं और एडजेक्टिव मोस्ट ऑफ टाइम इट कम्स बिफोर नाउन. They are supposed to be complement. If the sentence is complex sentence is given, arrange the subordinate clause first, then align it with the main clause. If sentence contains more clauses, complex sentence is that. So we have to put subordinate clause first. After that, we have to put main clause. But in short, you have to remember that adjectives always come before the nouns. Next thing is that adverbs of manner. Here it shows the manner. Adverb of manner and time. Adverb of manner and time are placed after the direct object. हम उसे डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद तरफ ही पुट करते हैं. एडवर्ब ऑफ मैनर जहां पे मैनर की बात हो और एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम जहां पे टाइम दिखाया गया है, वो दोनों एडवर्ब को हम डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद पुट करते हैं. देन एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. नेक्स्ट वन इज दैट एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. अगर हम एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस पुट करना चाहते हैं, एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस कैन कम एट द एंड और बिगिनिंग ऑफ द सेंटेंस. Adverb of place is given. It is starting of the sentence or end of the sentence. Both place we can put adverb of place. हम adverb of place दोनों जगह पे रख सकते हैं. शायद पहले हम सेंटेंस के स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट में रख सकते हैं और सेंटेंस के एंड में. दोनों प्लेस पे हम adverb of place रख सकते हैं. Then adverbs of frequency. Next one is that adverb of frequency are placed before the main verb. और adverb of frequency आता है तो वो हमें main verb के आगे लगाना पड़ता है. Adverb of frequency we have to put before the main verb. Then last one is that interrogatives are placed at the beginning of the sentence. If sentence contains interrogatives means question words like who, what, where, when, all are placed at the beginning of the sentences. उससे हमें सेंटेंस की बिगिनिंग में रखना होता है. Can you understand? It is a little bit points how we arrange sentence, how we arrange the words to form a complete sentence. Okay? So you have to keep in mind all the points while you are arranging any sentences. Okay? This is the teaching points related to word order in sentences. Now based on that, we have to do one exercise here. Now students, based on our learning, the word order in sentences, we have to do one exercise here. Exercise A. Exercise A heading is given here. See, rewrite the following sentences, arranging them according to their correct sequence. Rewrite the following sentences, arranging them according to their correct sequence. Here, jumble words is given here. We have to arrange them properly according to our learning, and then we have to create a meaningful, complete sentence. Okay, so let's start it. First sentence. First of all, open your grammar textbook, page number 88, exercise A. I read the question sentence from the textbook and just I am writing here answers of that question. Okay, so open your grammar textbook with me and keep attention here. First sentence is given here in your textbook. Palace dares who the disturb of King the. Palace dares who the disturb of king the. So we have to arrange it in a proper order. First of all, sentence contain who. Who means question word. So always question word placed before the sentence, beginning of the sentence. So what has happened? See here, sentence number first. I have to write first letter always capital. Who dares. Who dares disturb the. Who dares disturb the king. The king of the palace. Of the palace. Question mark sign we have to put. So who is a question word here? Dares is a helping word here. This auxiliary verb. It is placed before the main verb. Other words, the king of the palace. It is put at last. So here our first sentence over. Now second sentence we have to see. Second sentence is given here. Scored was player injured badly before two very goals. The he. It is given here in your textbook. Scored was player injured badly before two very goals. The he. Now we have to arrange it in a proper order. So it's become like that. The player was. The player was very badly injured before he scored two goals. So it's a complete now. The player was very badly injured before he scored two goals. Now so arrange all the words in a proper order and it's become a meaningful complete sentence. Now third one in your textbook. He relaxed his side going hard is a to beat. He relaxed his side going hard is a to beat. Like that, jumble word is given here. We have to arrange it. So it's become like that. Third sentence. Inverted comma, relax. Comma, inverted comma, over. Relax. He said, comma, inverted comma start. This is going to hurt a bit. Inverted comma over full stop here. So it's complete like that. Relax. He said, this is going to hurt a bit. Now sentence number 4 we have to understand. Sentence number 4. Third old countrysides were not to inward the decided take the. Jumble word is given here. Third old countrysides were not inward the decided take the. Like that. So we have to arrange it. First of all we have to put subject in starting of sentence. The third word countries. The third world. Sorry, here we have to put T capital. Third world countries decided not to take sides in the Cold War. So here our sentence over. See, the third world countries decided not to take sides in the Cold War. Now sentence number 5 we have to see. Sentence number 5. Preferred its language of English world old because simplicity over. Preferred its language of English world old because simplicity over. So now it's become like that. English language is preferred all over the world. All over the world. Because of its simplicity. So students, it's become a single sentence, like a complete sentence, meaningful sentence that English language is preferred all over the world because of its simplicity. Can you understand students how to do exercise now? Here we have completed our 5 sentences. Now students, sentence number 6 we have to understand. Sentence number 6 is given in your textbook as a jumble word. Alone to than dead it be company to is better be. Like that jumble word is given here. We have to arrange it and create a meaningful sentence here. So it's become like that. It is better to be alone. It is better to be alone than be in bad company. So it's become like that. It is better to be alone than be in bad company. Now sentence number 7. Children is homework of school in chiefly large making instrumental high amounts. Like that type of jumble word is given here. We have to arrange it. Large amounts of homework. What's happened? Large amounts of homework is chiefly instrumental in making students hate school. Understand students? It's become like that. Large amounts of homework is chiefly instrumental in making students hate school. Now sentence number 8 we have to understand. Sentence number 8 is classic momentum fast to increasing surgery due gaining myopia. So what's happened here? LASIK surgery. LASIK surgery is fast going. Momentum due to myopia. So it's become like that. Plastic surgery is fast growing momentum due to increased myopia. Now, sentence number 9. Are your what tomorrow plans for? Are your what tomorrow plans for? So, here, what is given here? This question, what is given here? We have to put it starting point. So, what's happened now? What are your plans for tomorrow? Question mark sign, because it is started with a question word, so we have to put question mark here. What are your plans for tomorrow? I put here adverb of time. Tomorrow, at last. Understand? Now, sentence number 10. Sentence number 10 we have to understand. Verdict of final judge is the. Verdict of final judge is the. So, what's happened now? The verdict. The verdict of the judge is final. The verdict of the judge is final. Understand, student? So here our 10 sentences of exercise A over. You have to complete all the answers as I written on the board. Okay, understand, student? You have to complete all the answers in your grammar textbook. Here our exercise A over. Remaining exercise we have to do in our next video.
Thank you for joining us.